Песня называется Just a Joke.
Someone save me from all I've done. Please don't blame me for all my past.
This is the boiler piping. Comes out. So it ties in with this main. Both of these are tied into a common. And then it goes over, down. Pump is on the inlet side. What's up, everybody in HVAC land? Working on these little small copper fin 2 Lochinvars that are for domestic hot water in this building. We got 2 storage tanks down there. There's our recirc connections. There's our aquastat. And you got a system pump right here, boiler pump, and right now I just pulled and cleaned the heat exchanger, which I have a previous video on it, but this video is about setting and checking manifold gas pressure. So what you do is you connect like you normally would on the bottom of a gas valve, but then you also connect in over here. So this is a T, and it goes down right here, and this is considered chamber pressure, because remember, this door has to remain on. So that's considered chamber pressure. It comes up and it's using that chamber pressure on these gas valves. That's why you'll see some gas valves have tubing coming off, going to pressure switches and whatnot, and you may be wondering what the hell that's for. Well, that is it's using it as a reference. So, I mean, you could technically probably pull that off and it would be fine, and it would use whatever the pressure up here in this upper area as its reference pressure. But yeah, this is how you set and adjust your gas pressure. So, and according to the tag, let me see, let me zoom in. I am on natural gas, 1.8 inches. Now that's not 1.8 inches here. That's 1.8 inches differential here, here. Also is in the manual, which is pretty good. This is the service manual. They also give you your inches water column reading for your combustion air. So this is adjusting combustion air pressure, and you can see right here the combustion air chamber pressure for these models is typically 1.2 to 1.3 inches water column when the fan is running at high speed. And then I'm doing this, so checking manifold pressure here. So there is the rest of it. And they kind of they give you a good little diagram here, so you can see you're on that T, you're on the gas valve. Same thing here, and you're using differential pressure between the two, so that's between chamber and manifold, and that is how you set your gas pressure on these boilers. Happy HVACing, and Happy New Year to everyone. So you can see here, this 3 inches is over on my gas valve side, but again, since I'm hooked in over here, I'm looking for differential pressure, and it's supposed to be 1.8 inches, and that is my differential pressure, because There we go. So I'm at 1.2 inches over here, going down into the chamber. And it was calling between 1.2 and 1.3, so I'd say that's perfect. And I'm at 3 inches over here on my gas valve. And my total differential, which is what the manifold pressure is 1.8 inches, so that's pretty blasted close. Close enough that I'm not worried about it. I'm checking the second gas valve now, because there's two. This one was spot on at 1.8, but this one, little too high. So my chamber pressure, 1.25, which is perfect because it should be between 1.2 and 1.3. But my differential, which is my manifold pressure, is a little high. So that needs to be adjusted down to 1.8. Okay, so now all I gotta do is reset the service reminder on this. The unit is running, but so you see it says service due. You hold the menu exit for 5 seconds, okay? And then it starts flashing the code, and you use the up and down, okay? And lock and var is 5309. Then you hit 2, okay? And since it's 0, I just skip past it by hitting it twice. So there's 3. Again, 1 space. Oh. 5309. Enter. Okay. Now I'm in the installers menu. And if you want to, this is where you're going to look at everything, and you use the up and down buttons. Okay, but I'll just show you a quick one just to reset the service reminder. You go down to K, right? Okay, so service reminder, enter, and you hit K4, reset, enter. Here we go. And then you just escape out. And that is how you reset the service reminder, and that's where you get into all the menus and everything else, and which I won't cover in this video because I really don't need to. I'm just doing a PM.